guys. Today is a special day. We got Angel pulling up. Today is pregame. Thanksgiving Day is tomorrow, and we're playing our first annual. It might be our only game ever. Depends on who gets hurt here. Milwaukee football game. We're going to go overtime rules. Everyone gets a chance to score, and everyone gets a chance to defend. And I'm going to play steady quarterback. And
passes only.
Passes only. These guys don't know this yet. We're going to hit it with some fundamentals, 5-yard outs, a couple quick slants, and get done and see who wins this game. We're missing a player, Dale. Dale, sorry about this. You're down in Virginia. You can play virtual if you want. I'll meet you on the Madden game. We're going to go have some fun. It's overtime rules. And if we end up tie, then we'll go overtime.
No one's going to be tied.
No. I got to get my passing down. I got it pretty wide right now.
Oh,
this is the Milwaukee football play.
I'm throwing it. You got sacked. I thought it was going to break. I didn't want to look.
Come on, Jackson. Ready? Hold on.
Yeah, we'll go through the window. That's the play.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Jake
Hobbs,
already caught a fire shot one today.
yeah. Hands team.
Oh, I'm going to get the shots.
Yeah,
Trust
Rob's, he's going to be behind the camera. I'm going to be mic'd up, and I'm actually interested to see what these guys got to say. All right, we got this. So here's
the light dude's scared of the football. We're playing with this. Dude.
Yeah, just the football. Yeah, wait till you see it. I've been practicing.
Okay.
So we're going to rotate through. We're all going to get one offense, one D, and if you succeed, you get a point.
Oh no, I'm scoring.
All right, and then the winner of this Milwaukee Bowl will be whoever has the most points. And if it's an incomplete pass or uncatchable, we'll replay that play for that player.
Okay.
I'm playing steady quarterback. Look.
These guys don't see that stuff.
That's because
I've caught this.
Hold on.
It's not that fun.
Yeah, it is. Hands team. So what? We break a couple fingers. Here we are.
What is this called? Milwaukee Cup?
Yup.
Milwaukee Bowl?
Milwaukee Bowl.
Oh, dude, this is legit rolling left field. I haven't stepped foot on a football field like ever. Getting tackled on this isn't that soft.
This is why I don't play football.
The quarterback.
Look at Chucky stretching.
We're gonna play. We plan to win. I'm not
Guy, come on, guy.
Whoa. That's heavy as shit.
Come on now. Everyone get used to the ball. Look at that spiral. No way. Come on. Come on, Chuck. I'm rolling out. Ah!
Whoa, good catch.
That hurt my finger. Come on. You got to catch it with your hands.
You should take the battery out.
Nah. We got to have it lit. Lit. AC, we're lit. Oh, I forgot mine. I was supposed to wear them. Here comes the All-Pro. Straight out of New York. Jake the Pappas. I'm going to play steady quarterback. There's going to be NFL overtime rules from the hash mark. Everyone gets 1-0 play, then you go to defense, okay? And we rotate out. If it's a defensive play, you get a point. If you score, you get a point. If it's a bad throw, we'll do a replay. I'm on fire, though. I'm feeling like this is going to be our new tradition. Barron Plumbing, Milwaukee, Super Bowl, pre-Thanksgiving. What else? You in?
We're in.
Hey.
Okay.
You want that side? What side?
I'm gonna go this side, go middle of the end zone. I mean,
All right, all right. Fumble. Go. Oh! 1 point. Be on my right-hand side and out. 5 yards out. Go. Oh! Picked off. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Touchdown. Go.
Dude, the footwork.
Just cut left because you threw it that way.
I got into that one.
All right, all right. Like it.
Triple move's hard to beat. 1-on-1.
Go. Oh! Oh! Footwork! Footwork! I got a score on Jake.
draw up the play you want.
I'll just throw it
Wow,
out.
pick 6,
All right.
Shield Angelo.
Take 6 is huge.
I think the winner is Angelo.
I think
Yeah,
it is.
AB was MVP.
That was fun.
That was a touchdown.
Everybody played D and scored, right?
Got it. Yeah.
Everybody,
But he played out.
you played D, I know. Thank you, Robert.
What's your ending sayings here for the Milwaukee ball?
I need some O2. Good times.
Oh, that was funny.
Just thought of it. Milwaukee, thank you for the football.
Survived.
Wow. Wow.
It was perfect.
That would have been the highlight of the day.
Yeah, dude, that was a dime, dude. I couldn't believe how open you were.
Was I open?
Yeah, you were.
You were moving
Wide
too
open.
fast. MCL gone.
I thought I had an interception.
I had how many? I had what? 3 touchdowns, 1 pick six, and a drop ball.
Still MVP, low
If you caught that ball, it would have been
Dude,
over.
if you
would have been MVP.
if you could have done the Heisman too.
Snatched it from me.
That was just a clean.
I have my hand right on it.
I thought you
That was a bad pass.
I just ripped it off.
Alright, guys.
We'll see what the replay booth says, guys. Who won?
Doing some drain work here. Got to pull the toilet to get a snake down there. First up first. Vacuum this sucker out. Get all the water out of it. I gotta move the track.
Well, should we bring the thing over?
When I just grab that, I'll go here. We'll just put it right there.
Yep.
That's a big boy. Toilet pulled. About to go Jenner extravaganza. There you go. Taking it all the way out here. We got this hose coming out of the jetter machine. And we brought in reinforcements, dude. The main guy, Jake the Snake, moving to Costa. That's all we pretty. All right, here we go, Chuck. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's like gold to a plumber. It's going, baby. She's going. It's hard to film, but I'm trying to see if we get dye. We just tested it with dye. I don't know if you guys know that trick, but you put dye, sewer dye, in the toilet and then flush it. And if it comes through, you're gold. Here it comes. I can hear the flush. He just flushed it. We'll never be able to see it on this camera, but we got dye, dude. We're ready to rip, boys. Dude, we might have got lucky. We're a force to reckon with, dude.
Skill.
I'll tell you about the $1,000 jetter head he
That's
lost.
the real one.
I'm gonna juice this thing, boys.
He's corny.
So that dental office has been backing up every 2 to 3 months for the past year. They definitely need to fix the sag. They have a 20-foot run of sag from the toilet we were working at all the way down into the middle of the building. And people come in there and just flush and flush and flush, and it just gets clogged up and then backs up and comes out all the floor drains and just makes a mess. So what they need to do is jack up the concrete in there, remove it, dig down to the pipe, fix the sag, and they'll be good to go. But for now, they're clear and they're open for business.